Okay, James, 38 the first paper, 52 the second time I marked paper 2. Let's see how you get on this time. 524 is right, 486 is right. 500 grams of mushrooms at 25 pence per 100 is not £5. It's going to be 5 lots of 25, which is £1.25. If I add up your bill, so £4.05, 524, 486, it comes to £19.15, so you're going to get 3 marks there, and then multiply that by 0.05, and you get 96 pence, so that's fine, so you'll get the 2 marks there as well. Every day from Monday to Friday for 4 weeks, you've worked out there a 7-day week, because you've done 7 4s are 28 times 35 pence, but it's only Monday to Friday, so that's only 5 days per week. So you've slipped up there, that is fine. So 5, 6, 7 marks there. That's not perpendicular. Perpendicular would be at right angles to the line, so you're looking for something that does that. That is a trapezium though, well done. No, that's not right, because what you need to notice is that on a Saturday you can't get it there by 9 AM and the cost of delivery is £23.85. $40 and $110 are right, those aren't. You should be able to see that they're going up in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 10 down is going to be 0. That is correct. So 1330 equals, so that is correct. But you've worked out, oh no it isn't, it's not 30, it's 36 times 35. Not 30. So unluckily, no, I will give you the method mark because what you've then done is right, but that mistake costs you. Those are right. This is wrong, and I can't give you any marks because I can't see what you've done. That is 90, so those two take away from 180 will give you that, or if you take that away from 90 it will give you that. So 9 for the page. Obtuse is correct. So we'll look at your triangle. So your triangle is slightly out, but that angle would be okay. And the 9 centimeters is a little bit too far out. You've got too much there. So you're going to get the mark for the angle, you're going to lose the mark for the length, and you'll get the mark for completing the triangle, so you'll get 2 out of 3 for that. Those two are right, that one isn't. If you are starting at hold on. So if you're starting at 3 degrees and going up 4, you would end up plus 7. So if you only end up at -1 after rising by 4 degrees, you're going to be at -5 there. That one's right. That one's not, because there's a bigger number than 45, which is 52. Three, 6, 8 for the page. 6 foot is fine, although I'd rather you used meters, and you reckon there are about 12 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, so that is fine. 3 8 to 24. is correct, and that's correct. So why have you added 8? I don't know. X is 5 is right. This is wrong. It's a divide by 3 that you have to undo to get the y on its own. So the opposite of dividing by 3 is timesing by 3. And 2x plus 7y is right. 2, 4, 8 for that page. It is out of 50, but you've missed the words at least. You've answered the question, randomly chosen bag having 25 sweets in it, in which case it would be 16 out of 50. But at least 25 means that they could have 26 or 27 sweets in it as well. So it should be 29 on top. That one is almost right. It should be 1236. So one of these is wrong. 207, 288, 400, 260, 81. You've added something up wrongly. Take a look how I work that one out on the solution. That's right, that's good. 4, 6 marks for that. 6.9 times 6 is correct. Your angle there is wrong. Okay, a bearing of 152 degrees. So you're going to take your angle measurer. Remember, 0 lines up with north, and 152 is there. So 152 degrees is this angle. And then you need it to be 8 centimeters away, which yours is. So your distance is right. 1604 is correct. That is then wrong. What you have to do is do 1604 times and change that into pence. Into pounds. And then multiply it. So that will then be correct for you. And then you've worked out that correctly. But then you've taken that away, so that's wrong, because that's £17.82 they still owe because it hasn't got a credit next to it. And then you've subtracted which you haven't done either. You've then got to take all of those off your answer. So there's only 2 marks you've managed there, so 6 for that page. Exchange rates, something worth practicing. Hopefully we'll get a chance in class to do them, but they're on the website. This isn't what you need to do here. What you need to do is start off by putting n as 1. So you do 1 squared plus 3. Then you do n as 2. And then you do n as 3. So 1 squared is 1 times 1. Add 3 is 4. 2 squared is 4. Add 3 is 7. 3 squared is 9. Add 3 is 12. That's not the nth term rule. That's something that we're going to be doing in the next couple of weeks. That's not right, and again I will go through that one in class. This is something that we've done in the last week or so, which is the mean of group data. So what you've done here is, let's have a look. So you've got 60, 363. This one is wrong. It's 18 times 12. So that should be 18 times 12, and that's why you've gone wrong. So of the 4 marks there, you've made that one mistake, so you'll earn 3 of them. 0.5 is too small. 0.7 is, that's right, it's too big. So from there you should be going to 0.6 next. So your method is right, but you haven't got it to any consecutive numbers, so you will only get the 1 mark there. Still, you've had a go at it, so that's encouraging. Right, so your best so far, what did I say, 52 on a paper 2. So let's see, 7, 12, 21, 29, 37, 43, 43, 49, 53. Well, you are still improving. It's only a mark, but you are getting there, and you are attempting the majority of the questions. And when you go through there's lots of careless little slips you've made that you know, if you could concentrate that a little bit harder, be a little bit more confident, you know, those mistakes won't get made again. So that's encouraging. Well done, James.